Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys where the 12th elf is. So you'll need to make a mince pie for this one, and you'll need to go to the observatory. I'm just going to drive there. So it's like in the riverside area, and you're just going to turn left here. Just gonna drive here. Sorry, it does take long for me to get to places. I'm just gonna park here. Oh my god. Okay. And you're just going to walk here. You're not going to go in the observatory. You're going to go in this area. Then you're going to walk here. Careful. And you're just going to walk. Oh my god. And you're going to give it here. As you can see, there's like a really small elf underneath here. It's super small. You can like barely see it. And just give the mince pie and you'll get 250 tickets. Ta-da! And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.